Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Ignite 3 and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Once you open the panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, the alarm icon. Tap on it to open the alarm menu, like this, and here we can select how often the alarm should repeat. We have off option. If this option is selected, the alarm will be turned off. If you select once, it will go off only once and then it will stop, it will turn off. Next we have Monday to Friday. If you select this option, it will repeat on weekdays from Monday to Friday. And if you select every day, it will repeat every day. So select the option you like. Then set the time on which the alarm should go off by swiping on the hours and minutes, and then tap on the check mark. And the alarm should be set. If you open the control panel, you will see that the alarm is enabled and it displays the time on which it should go off. Also on the watch face, the alarm icon will appear to indicate that the alarm is enabled. And to disable it, simply open the control panel and select the off option, like this. Okay. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also do this through the phone application. So let me move this to the side, bring the phone, wake up the screen, zoom out the camera, like this, okay. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Polar Flow application. Actually, let me close it and open it again, like this. Once you open the app, you can tap on menu icon to open the menu, then tap on devices, and it should bring you to this page, and on this page you should see your Polar Ignite 3. Now, scroll down and find the alarm option, and we can tap on the switch right here to enable it. Then we can tap on time to adjust it to our liking, then tap on OK, and then we can select repeat option. We have off, Monday to Friday, and every day. Select the option you like, and once you're done, you will need to sync your watch with your phone to apply the settings. So you need to press and hold the side button and wait until it's done syncing. And once it's done syncing, the settings should be applied. And if I open the control panel, come on, it's a bit wonky, okay, you will see that the alarm is enabled. Okay, and that's how you set the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.